Hey Super Friends, we have Sheep Take a Hike by Nancy Shaw, illustrated by Margot Apple. Morning's here, it's warm and clear. Sheep load up their hiking gear. Compass, whistles, drinks, and snacks go in packs upon their backs. They trot along a hiking trail. Up the hill and down the dale. Trees and bushes soon grow thicker. Where's the trail? Sheep bicker. Sheep squeeze through the trees, sheep rush through underbrush. Thorns dig, prickers snag, sheep zig, sheep zag. Fog comes up, the ground feels damp. On and on, sheep tramp. Sheep stomp into a swamp. Moosh, goosh, boggy tracks. Yuck, muck, soggy backs. Blub, blub, sloppy packs. Glub, glub, gloppy snacks. The compass sinks. They're in dismay. How can they ever find their way? Sheep climb out of the slime. They look around and soon they find woolly fuzz they left behind. Sheep won't stray. They've marked the way. Now they're on the hiking path. What more could they want? A bath! Sheep trot homeward. Rain pours. What a great day for the great outdoors. The end.